We know when an electrophilic substitution reaction takes place in benzene, we get mono-substituted benzene. Like if we have benzene molecule, right, and if we want to induct the first substituent in the benzene ring as an electrophile, benzene ring के अंदर अगर हम पहला substituent induct करेंगे as an electrophile, right, we want to induct the first substituent in the benzene ring. For example, if X is the first substituent and we want to introduce X in the benzene ring, right, here we have X. So as a result of induction of the first substituent in the benzene ring, we get here the mono-substituted benzene. Mono-substituted benzene is formed like this. We get mono-substituted benzene. The reason is all the 6 carbon atoms in benzene, they are equivalent. Benzene के तमाम 6 carbon atoms, they are equivalent, right? So as a result of the electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene, we get the mono-substituted benzene, right? But students, if we want to do the die substitution of benzene, यानी अगर हम benzene के अंदर एक दूसरा electrophile induct करना चाह रहे हैं, we want to induct the die substitution, we want to do the die substitution of benzene, we want to induct the second substituent in the benzene, right? Then the position of second substituent in the benzene depends upon the first substituent, right? Yani the position of second substituent in the ring depends upon the nature of the first group which is already present in the mono substituted benzene. Now students, we will see what positions are possible for the second substituent if we want to do the die substitution of benzene. Now if we take the mono substituted benzene, अगर हम mono substituted benzene लेते हैं like this, we have X is the substituent which is already present in the mono substituted benzene, right? And if we want to induct the second substituent, for example students, we want to introduce Y. Y is the second substituent in the benzene ring, so we want to introduce Y. Then we will see what are the position of Y in the benzene ring. Benzene ring पर Y की क्या position होगी? It depends upon the nature of X, right? Maybe Y would come at position, we make the benzene ring here, right students, and we will see what is the position of Y in the benzene ring. This is the mono substituted benzene, X is already present, right? Maybe Y would come at certain positions, maybe Y would come at this position, right? Y would come at this position, or we can say Y would come at, in the benzene ring, maybe Y would come at, make the benzene ring, right? Here we have X, maybe Y would come at this position, right? Maybe Y would come at this position. Alright students, now we will see what are other positions of Y if we have mono substituted benzene, like we have benzene molecule, right students, we make the mono substituted benzene in which X is present, right, and we want to induct the second substituent, that is Y in the benzene ring. Then we will see what are the possible positions of Y in the benzene ring, यानी Y जो है वो benzene ring पर कौन कौन सी positions पर आ सकता है, ठीक है? This is X. Now maybe Y would come at, Y जो है benzene ring में मजीद किस position पर आ सकता है? Maybe Y would come at this position, that is at this position, Y, ठीक है? और it is equivalent to like this. We make the benzene molecule, right? If X is present here, then what is the position of Y in the ring? Y would come at this position, ठीक है ना? Y would come at this position. This is the second possibility, यानी Y यहाँ पे आ सकता है. Let's see what is another possibility. Again we will make the mono substituted benzene. हम बनाएंगे mono substituted benzene, ठीक है students, ये हमने बनाया. This is mono substituted benzene. X is present as the substituent in the benzene ring. And if you want to do the die substitution of benzene, right? For the die substitution of benzene, we want to induct the second substituent in the benzene ring, right? For example, if you want to induct Y in the benzene ring, we want to induct second substituent, then we will see what is the position of Y in the benzene ring. We make the benzene ring, right? And in the benzene molecule, here X is already present. Now we will see what is the position of Y in the benzene ring. Maybe Y would come at this position, right? And it depends upon X. Actually, X will direct the Y at certain positions. Now students, we have make the different dye substituted products, right? Now once again we will see, here you can notice the students, if X is present, the carbon atom with which the first substituent is attached in the monosubstituted benzene, यानी वो कार्बन जो जिस पे monosubstituted benzene में पहला substituent attach है, ठीक है ना, that carbon is always the carbon number 1. For example यहाँ पे देखें X जो है वो इस कार्बन से अटैच है, तो दिस कार्बन इज कार्बन नंबर 1. इस कार्बन की पोजीशन क्या है? कार्बन नंबर 1. ठीक है. नाउ वी डू द नंबरिंग ऑफ द सेकंड सब्स्टिट्यूएंट इन सच अ वे, राइट, सो दैट वी विल असाइन द लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर टू द सेकंड सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. यानी हम बेंजीन रिंग पर इस तरह से नंबरिंग करेंगे कि हम सेकंड सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर असाइन कर सकें. ठीक है ना. इधर वी डू द नंबरिंग क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. ठीक है. सो इफ एक्स इज प्रेजेंट एट पोजिशन नंबर 1, देन हेयर वाई इज प्रेजेंट एट 2, second carbon, y is attached. ठीक है ना. और we can say here if x is present at this 1 and then y is present at second position. ठीक है ना. These are the position 1 and 2. ठीक है. x both are equivalent, यानी ये दोनों equivalent है. तो here we have position 1 at which the first substituent is present and position 2 at which the second substituent is present, right? Position 1 and 2, right students, these positions are known as ortho positions. यानी 1 और 2 positions क्या कहलाएंगी? They are ortho positions. Ortho. ठीक है. इसका मतलब ये है we can say x is at the ortho position of y. यानी हम कह सकते हैं कि x is at the ortho position of y. X and y, they are ortho to each other. X is at the ortho position of y, right, and y is at the ortho position of x. Similarly here, x and y both are present at the ortho position. X is present at the ortho position of y, right, and y is present at the ortho position of x. Since position 1 and 2, they are ortho position. You can notice, in this case, you can notice this is what is the position of x. First of all, we will do the numbering, right? We do the numbering to show the position of x and y at the benzene ring, right? Here you can notice the position where x is present, right? This is in the monosubstituted benzene, that is carbon number 1. 1, 2, 3. ठीक है ना. We do the numbering like this, 1, 2, 3 और 1, 2, 3. ठीक है. Position x and y, they are present at position 1 and 3. ठीक है. So position 1 and 3, these positions they are known as meta positions. इन position को हम क्या कहेंगे? These positions are meta positions, right? Meta. They are meta positions. It means we can say y is at the meta position of x, right students? y is at the meta position of x, right, and x is at the meta of y. यानी y x की meta position पे है या x y की meta position पे है. Likewise here, x and y, they are meta to each other. x is at the meta position of y or y is at the meta position of x, right? x and y, they are meta to each other. Since position 1 and 3, they are meta positions, right students? I hope this is clear to you. Now see the next case. In this case, first of all, we do the numbering to see what are the position of x and y on benzene ring, right? So here you can notice, if we do the numbering clockwise or either anti-clockwise, ठीक है ना, किसी तरह से भी numbering करें, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? और if we do the numbering anti-clockwise, अगर हम anti-clockwise numbering करें, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. It means either we do the numbering clockwise or either we do the numbering anti-clockwise, right? We get x and y at position 1 and 4. Position 1 and 4. X and y, they are present at position 1 and 4. Students, position 1 and 4, these positions are para positions. These positions are known as para position. We can say x is at the para position of y, right, and y is at the para position of x. X is at the para position of y, right, and y is at the para position of x. Since position 1 and 4, they are para position. Position 1 and 4, they are para positions, right? So we can say x and y, they are para position of they are at the para positions. It means the position of second substituent in the benzene ring, it depends upon the nature of the first group, right? The second group would come at different positions. These positions are what are the positions, students? Either they are ortho to each other, that is at ortho positions, that is at position 1 and 2, or either they are at meta positions, that is position 1 and 3, or either they are present at para positions, right? So induction of the second substituent in the benzene ring give three isomeric forms, that is ortho, meta as well as para. I hope this is clear to you, students.